Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Roy, CEO of Royx Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain our achievement of this year and what is our plan for the next year. This video is mainly for our extended team, clients and those who are planning to take services from us. 2021 was a great year for us. We have done lots of great things with many remarkable achievements. This year, our Dubai office shifted to our new office. It is much better and much bigger than the previous one. We have started our new branch office in Qatar with a plan to expand our presence in the Middle East. Our team is composed of experienced and talented professionals. We constantly aim to add new members to the team to make our team more dynamic, diverse and well-rounded. This year we have added many new talents to our team. We have become ISO certified company. We took two certifications, ISO 9001 and ISO 27001. ISO 9001 is the most widely accepted quality management system, and ISO 27001 standard certifies that Royx Technologies provides secure and professional services. We have started a digital marketing business called Royx Digital. At this moment, we are providing the service only to our existing client. Eventually, we will expand our services to everyone. We have a great cloud server team and we are really doing great. So we started a new cloud business called Royx Cloud. Through this, we are going to provide services to different companies. Also, we have started Royx Live. This is a live video calling system and it is free to use. We don't feel we need to compare with a Zoom or Microsoft Teams, or nor do we have any plan to actually compete with that. Our plan is very simple, is to provide this video calling service to our customer at a very affordable and one-time cost. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is the talk of the town. We have done deep research on it. We built our own currency called ROX coin as a test project. ROX coin is not built to be just another coin in the market. This is mainly developed for our understanding how the system works and how we can use this technology for our customer. So now we can integrate crypto wallet to different projects as a payment method. Data verification through blockchain technology also possible. We have published two books, $1 Million Apps and E-commerce Unfold, based on our years of experience in the mobile apps and e-commerce website development. In 2021, we have started to shift our business from the development and service oriented to product based, and we have started our R&D on different product lines and hired few experts to do marketing survey for this product's viability. OCommerce is one of our great product launch this year. This is an enterprise e-commerce platform that is designed to serve the needs of the largest enterprise. Recruiters is another project we have started this year and is going to be launched in 2022. This is going to be a great platform for AI-based resume management. We have delivered around 15 projects this year and the reaction and the satisfaction level of our customers are really great. Let me now explain our plan for 2022. Shifting our company as a product base is the main goal for this year. Among this product, we have already talked about recruiters, which is going to be launched this year. We are building several new modules for OCommerce. At this moment, there are 16 modules in OCommerce. By the end of 2022, it will be around 30. We have a great event management and ticketing system. Khalifa University and ESMA are already using this platform and they are very happy with it. We will launch it as a standalone product in 2022. Also, a few more products are in the pipeline to be launched in 2022. At this moment, I am not able to share those product details. A great tech team from India is going to join in our company in April to do some extensive research on artificial intelligence. I think this will be a game changer for our company. As AI is going to dominate the future, we are going to develop different AI modules for our existing product so we can train our system to work intelligently. We have a plan to start our office in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We are waiting for the right project and the partner to start. But this is definitely will be done in 2022. So our total number of offices will be 6. In 2021, a portion of our earning went to the people who are in need. But from this year, we will try to do it in more structured way so we can reach out and help more needy people. Our new side business that we will start with other partners is the Royx Properties. Yes, we are going to invest our time in the property sector too. I know this is completely out of our track, but I really want to start a diversified portfolio. By 2022, a few of our own properties will be on the market, providing fully furnished apartment as a short-term and a long-term rent. To improve the company culture and the team loyalty for the company, we will continue all the programs we have taken in 2021, and also we are going to introduce lots of new programs. We plan to start IT staff outsourcing. Our Royce.in and Royce.com.bd website will be used for this purpose. So anyone can hire our qualified developers at a very affordable cost. Our partners portal is going to be launched this year. Mainly the partners portal is made for the e-commerce, so we can spread our product and services to more people through our partners. And we have planned to do a partners meetup in October. In 2022, I plan to publish my new book, Uplift. This book is centered around my experience in running a tech company over decades and using that experience to help the tech entrepreneurs make their companies profitable. We have already started customer service in Arabic languages from this year. From next year, we are going to provide extensive customer service as per the ISO standard. The reason to make this video is to give a thanks to my great team member and to set a team goal for the next year, which is only possible to achieve as a team. Thank you everyone for watching this long video. Happy New Year for everyone. I hope this year will bring lots of kindness and happiness to you all. Thank you.